Take a breath and let the noise settle. You don't need to fix or change anything. Just arrive. Breathe in slowly through your nose and out through your mouth. Feel your shoulders relax. Your breath anchors you. Steady, calm, clear. Now imagine your thoughts as leaves on water. They drift past, but you don't have to follow them. Let your focus rest right here in this moment. Nothing to do. Nowhere else to be. Just this quiet space. Take one last calm breath in. And exhale gently. Well done. And remember, the quiet you found today is only one breath away. Until next time.